back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is with zucchini and sweet potatoes. Well, let's get started on things. Let's talk about our ingredients. We have sweet potatoes, zucchini, and a little piece of butter I cut off from a sample that I got. So I'm going to use it up. Now, the sweet potatoes take a while to cook. You can cut these up into slices like silver dollars, and then you can boil them. But it's much quicker, much more quicker if you throw them in the microwave. So that's what I'm going to do. Here they are. Now, for how long those sweet potatoes are going to take, I can't tell you exactly, because it's going to depend on the size of the sweet potatoes and your microwave. Mine is like a 700 watt, so I put them in for 3 minutes, and then I check them, and then I turn it on again, and you just squeeze. All you have to do is squeeze the sweet potatoes, and when they're soft, they're done. So I have my pan turned on. I have a zucchini, cut off the ends. I'm going to cut this up in slices about 1/4 of an inch. They like to roll away, little rascals. They keep trying to make a break for it. I'll just set up some roadblocks here. My son had a lot of safety training, so we used to kid him that he would set up orange safety cones, everything he did. So I just set these up like they're his orange safety cones. Now let's see one of these try to get away. Watch it roll backwards. Just slow cut this last one. This is pretty simple. Pan, olive oil. Reminds me I need to order some more olive oil. I ordered it from my sister. I keep ordering it, she keeps shipping it. I love olive oil. Now there's a little bit of bacon grease still in this pan that I used for the Brussels sprouts. So just let this go a little bit here like that. Now I'm going to throw my butter in. You know, you don't need an exact measurement on that, but that's probably about 1/8 of a stick. If you want to see my measurements and ingredients and stuff, if you look right in the show notes, right below here on YouTube, or if you go to my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com, all the ingredients are listed there. And while I'm thinking of it, right now in the lower right-hand corner of the video is the subscribe button. I'm on a campaign. I'm trying to get my first 1,000 subscribers. So if you would just click on that and subscribe, and then if you want, next to my name there's a bell button you can hit so you get notified just like that when a new video gets dropped. And for the first 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to send you guys all coffee cups. So butter's melting, and you want to use butter and olive oil together so that your butter doesn't burn. Butter melts at a lower temperature than olive oil does. And if you grab some other bottles of oil, like here, I'll just grab a couple really fast. Here's like peanut oil and canola oil. These, it has to really get hot for these to burn. That's why they use them in the woks, because they're not going to burn. So let's get this going here. Let's give it a little bit of a shake. Now the sweet potato's done, so I'm just going to check that. I'll be right back. Sweet potatoes were nowhere near soft. Actually, they laughed at me when I opened the door. You're going to try to heat us, huh? I put it in for another 3 minutes, so I just keep doing it in a few minute increments. Okay, butter's melted. Let's go ahead and drop these little rascals in here. I'm dropping them high because I want them to kind of lay out. Probably have to sort them out here. want it to all be flat on the bottom of the pan. Switch to the spatula. Just like that. There we go. Now let's throw some salt on them. And let's put some pepper. I like peppers. Now as an option with this, you could use jalapeno peppers, you could use poblano peppers, you could use red pepper flakes if you like to have things hot. I'm kind of not really doing hot things right now. My stomach says no, so that's the story. Let's put these on here. Let's let that go for a few minutes while the potatoes cook. Zucchinis are smelling good. The potato beeped, so I did 2 more minutes in there. Let's try this fancy little thing and see if it works for anything other than having fun with it. And let's take a look at these zucchinis. It's time to turn them over. Yeah, definitely time to turn them over. You know, I probably could do this faster. I just grab something here to flip them with. Because it's not easy to turn these little rascals over. Food. You gotta try it, man. You gotta make some food. You gotta cook. It's so much fun to eat good food. Let's go ahead and turn this heat off. I think we're done with this. Put that aside for the moment. Let's check these sweet potatoes. I just took them out of the microwave. Let's see if they'll squish. Yes, they look like they will squish. So that means they should be cooked enough. We'll let that sit for just a moment and give this some attention. Now, I'm going to pull my zucchinis out of here. Look at those. Boy, those look good. Now, let's see what we're going to do with these sweet potatoes. That's a little warm. So, I'm going to cut these just like this. Maybe you could try with some tongs. But I usually just let them cool. Let's just grab the skin. This. Wow, that's hot. It is absolutely amazing how hot that is. Okay, let's just kind of clean this up a little bit here. That just like that. There we go. Look at that, huh? There's our bowl of sweet potatoes. Let's just grab some soft butter. Put some butter in the middle of that. Just let that melt just like that. Then, let's just top it. You could use brown sugar, you could use maple syrup, you could use honey. If you can get the lid open. So I need to rinse that before I put it away, huh, next time. Maple syrup. Okay, let's serve this up. So, boy, does this look good. So, I have some zucchinis. We'll put some of those on the plate. Just like this. That looks really, really good. Let's take and stir this up a little bit. And then let's just put some right here on the plate. There we go. That's the show for the day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.